The time we go to bed and the time we wake up, those duration will be divided into so many parts. And in each part, what would happen? How we will conduct our life? What happens? We will take up the next question. Can a seeker know how much karma he or she has? While doing sadhana, thought if I knew about the load of karma remaining to be burnt. Fantastic question. A person who wants to know how much karma is left over to be burnt cannot be a seeker at all. You are not chasing, you are not doing any sadhana, you are not creating any vairagya, as has been explained in the previous. Maybe in other spiritual lessons, spiritual lectures, maybe in other spiritual lecture, maybe in other spiritual lessons or spiritual lectures or satsangas, the subject could be discussed in that way. But being under Babaji, being with Babaji, I cannot subscribe to these views, because we have come here to not to do any process, not to create any methods, not to create any conditions, not to do any measurements, not to weigh anything, not to judge anything, not to do anything, not to do any activities. Action with awareness is Kriya Yoga, no doubt in it. Why Kriya Yoga says action with awareness? Because on left and right we are carrying a lot of loads of the garbage. Unless you do action with awareness, your bad karma will go on increasing it. The good karma will go on creating an imbalance between the bad karma and good karma to be enjoyed. One side prarabdha karma you will have to enjoy, which cannot be escaped. You will have to set aside some portion of your physical body, the mental perception, mental faculty for that, and another part, your physical, mental and spiritual, you will have to set aside if you are doing anything without awareness. Because the moment enlightenment comes to us, there won't be distinction between male and female. There won't be any distinction between good and bad. There won't be any distinction between animal and us. There won't be distinction between anything and anything. Money matters nothing. Currency matters nothing. Gold and iron will look alike. And we feel like getting almost merged with the divinity. This is a very small dot, very tiny piece of planet Earth in which we have just jumped to wash our cloth, the body. We have not come here to put an extra button, extra zip, extra pocket, extra belt and decorate ourselves. We have come here to remove the dress, the shirt and leave it here and to fly away. Why you want a measure in that? On the other side, a person who is going towards enlightenment or who is enlightened will know how much karma he has balance in him, and he will also know that he has got only the prarabdha karma which he will happily enjoy. He is neither worried nor bothered about other karmas, because he is not at all in the process of accumulation and he is not at all in the process of washing it also. The very essence, the very moment enlightenment happens, you keep away from the pain and pleasure. Pain will happen to the body, sometime a glimpses. For example, if there is an incident, if Mahavira comes before us, sits beside us, and we are also sitting, somebody throws a small stone at both of us, the stones hit me or the person who is sitting next to Mahavira, or for that matter Babaji himself. The pain will be more to Babaji or Mahavira than to us. We are not in the process of observing, we are in the process of responding or reacting. Whereas Mahavira or Babaji are not in the process of responding or reacting. They are in the process of just observing. The pain happens. They are not taking the pain. They only observe what would happen if such stone is hurled on him or on others. So, it is the mental, no mental, spiritual, no spiritual, physical, no spiritual. It is at this stage a enlightened person will sit and meditate. In that time, he is neither worried nor bothered about the balance of karma to be exhausted or exploited by the karma itself. Thank you. Is Kriya Yoga a faster way of burning karma? Karma is encircling the person who is asking. More than participating in the process of being with the divinity, the mind is encircled like a tortoise mosquito coil around the karma, Karma is not going to do. Karma is going far away from you. It is not nearer to you also. You take your own journey. There is a flight going from New York to Frankfurt. You are sitting somewhere in Bangalore, Mysore or Calcutta. In what way you are concerned about the karma going from New York to Frankfurt? You are keeping an equipment or you keeping a instrument and dragging that flight from there to here and inviting trouble. The flight may be loaded with unwanted explosives which may hurt you, not only you, people around you also. So the karma is like that only. We are not here to know about the karma or not to know whether I will have to take a faster journey or I will have to take a slower journey to burn my karma. No need for such things. Just leave it as it is. Looking at the pain for 2 minutes will increase the pain. If there is a wound on your body, just take your total awareness to that particular wound. Total conscious, close your eyes and take your total conscious on the wound. The pain on the wound will disappear. On the contrary, look at the wound with open eye and look at the size of the wound, the blood oozing out from there, the pus oozing out from there. The pain will increase and it will disturb you. Karma is like that. It is taking a journey somewhere to somewhere. You are here and now. You are inviting unwanted things around you. Coming to your point, there is no faster or slower way. If you are going for a yoga abhyasa, what is called nowadays so thrillingly, it is not yoga abhyasa, it is yoga asana abhyasa. People taking their mat and going every day morning or evening for practicing, there all these things will be discussed. Kriya Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga, etc. will be discussed. But everything is same. Just a name given with slight modification. If you bring wheat flour into your house, one day you will be doing roti, one day you will be doing puri, one day you will be doing Indian bread, one day you will be doing foreign bread. You will give a different name because it assumes a different taste and different shape different color output it comes. But ultimately everything is one and the same. The yoga people given name for the practice is same. Nothing different in it. So let us not get into confusion. As I said earlier, we have wasted most of our time in creating questions out of the books what we have read, which went on out of the discussions, out of the gossip, which went on in our presence or behind our presence, which the yoga practitioner or some other person did not clarify, or so many doubts have been created for the one answer. The person did not get a proper answer, or the person did not give a correct answer. This is lingering. All these are born out of book knowledge. We have come here not for the book knowledge. We have come here, a rope is tied to your side, another end of the rope is tied at the foot of Mahotar Babaji. Now we are taking a journey. The A point is ourself, the B point is Mahotar Babaji. Now all our experiences is on the rope, no other place. We are not keeping a book, or we are not keeping a guide, we are not keeping a Google reference, or we are not keeping a textbook or a Reddit reckoner to walk on the rope or walk on the path. We are walking on the path through a trust we have created to ourselves. We are walking on the path with the utmost trust we have on the Supreme Master. So, here the book knowledge, the hear and say story, whether this is supreme or that is supreme, whether this is faster or that is faster, not count at all. I think you have understood the matter. Thank you. The next question we will take it up. This is also in the same line only. Can a person burn out his sins of previous births by practicing pranayama and meditations? In fact, we have come to this earth for washing our sins only, because it is said we have taken birth after so many lakhs of birth as human being. Each birth we have been washing our sins. We have been filtered, and the finest particle we are made up of. We have arrived here as a human being. Still we are carrying the concentrated sins and virtues. The concentrated sin and virtuous is nowhere, it is in our mind. Nowhere it is. It is not available. Nothing follows you. It is your mind which creates. Because we have accumulated so many theories without practice. We have accumulated so many hear and say stories without exploring anything. Because we have invited so many dust without filtering it. Because we have allowed our gates to be opened for all this slush without putting a filter. This being the case, the mind is corrupted. From the age of 3, the education, the environment given for that education, the purpose of education is to earn, do better than others, compete with others, overtake others, earn money, convert them into material, go forward, challenge somebody, get authority, get name, fame, get so much of degrees, print a visiting card, put all your qualification, present it before, say who I am. For that purpose, we have been taken journey. For that purpose, we assume so, though it is not so. So, the accumulated sin is more after our birth than before. Now we have got two burdens, one accumulated now, one the old luggage what you are carrying. We are least bothered about the old one. We are reminded of the old one only when we get pain out of the new accumulated one. If the new accumulated one happens to be no disease, no dearth for money, no death for comfort. We are not worried about the previous sins. We think and assume it is virtuous. If the present actions bring us some needle pricking us, some pains coming here and there, some parts of the body failing, some medicine not working, some people giving us lot of tears and pain, then we think we wanted to burn the karma. So all these things are in our mind and not elsewhere. That is the reason I repeatedly say, repeatedly, thumpingly say, repeatedly advise every individual in our WhatsApp group, repeatedly guide everyone in our WhatsApp group as well as through this YouTube video that we have wasted enough. Our days and minutes may be counting. So why to waste? Why to enter into karma theory? Why to enter into sin theory? Why you want to weigh your karmas? Why you want to know how much sins you will be washing? If at all I am coming to know that how much sin or how much karma I have to burn, if it happens to be 10 milligram, then your actions bring positive 10 kgs, then you will have comfort in life. Stating that I can kill 4 persons because I have got so much positive. On the other side, if you come to know that you have got 100 kg of sins and every day you are gaining 2 milligrams of virtuous, then counting your age and counting your expected number of days you are going to live, you will find. So you will be able to accumulate only 10 grams, whereas 100 kg is pending. Then you will lose interest. You will not do. You will not do anything. You will be discouraged. So in his own wisdom, in his own rights, the divinity has masked these things. And yet it will be available to you, provided you are preparing yourself. I have given a process, how to go back, how to take out so much of trillion cells, recalling them. If you are doing, definitely you will be able to know. Not only that, in some of the next videos, I will be talking about the time we go to bed and the time we wake up. Those duration will be divided into so many parts, and in each part what would happen, how we will conduct our life, what happens, how many parts we are going to make, we will know. In each part, whether garbage is there, whether iron is there, whether silver is there, gold is there, nectar is there, we will come to know. So when you have so much of opportunity before you, let us not too much worry about the sin, karma, what is there in our store. Whether you want to go for a fast track, you want to take a 350cc bullet, or you want to take a 1500cc turbo engine fitted two-wheeler or a four-wheeler, or you want to fix a turbine or aeroplane engine to take a very fast supersonic, etc. So let us not get worried about all these things. Thank you.